the attachment options. Now, this was explained to you during your consultation before you placed your order. Now, there's 3 attachment options. One attachment option is for long-distance clients that do not come into our hair studio. And if you do come into our hair studio, if you're in traveling distance, then you have 3 options to choose from. And these 3 options can be alternated if you like, or you can change your mind from one to the other. So let's go through each. Number 1, there's the ponytail attachment, also called anchors. And that is taking the microstrand thread, twisting around your hair, and locking it onto the microstrand. That attachment needs a monthly visit, okay? So, and you can get the details from your technicians a little more deeper about that. The second attachment is extended wear. It includes the ponytails or anchors where we lock it onto your hair using the microstrand thread, along with comb locks, combination of both. This enables you to come in every 2 months instead of every month. And the reason why is because after a month and your hair has grown a little bit, about a ½ inch or so, you can reach in there. You can't remove it yourself. You can reach in there and snug it up, therefore stretching it out to another month, therefore coming back for maintenance every 2 months. And again, you need to talk to your technician to get a refresher on some more of those details. And the third way is comb lock attachment. Now, comb lock attachment is not clips. In the industry, they use clips that are about 3 times larger and thicker than the comb locks. All right? They're made to hold something heavy on your head. The microstrand self-holds because it's soft and it molds to your head. Between it molding to your head and your hair coming through, it self-holds about half the way. So the combs only need to be small and thin just to hold it the rest of the way, if that makes sense. As an example, it's as if somebody here had a pair of pants and they wore a belt. And if you took the belt off, would the pants fall to the floor? No. If the pants fit properly, the pants would hold up on their own, and the belt is there for extra additional support for holding. That's an example, okay? Now with the comb lock attachment, you will receive 2 videos showing how to apply with the comb locks yourself if you choose so. All right? One video is me explaining every little detail about the comb lock because I'm a trainer. The other video is a client's view, a client showing how to do it. So remember, you have to look at that comb lock attachment and probably more than once to thoroughly understand the proper way of attaching it if you're attaching it yourself. Now, you can come back to us if you're local to us, and we can reattach it once a month using the comb lock. Although if you're attaching it, you have to watch the comb lock attachment videos very carefully. Now, about the comb locks, they're safe. They work on everybody. As long as you have enough hair to pinch, you can have fuzzes. As long as it's enough that you can pinch and grab it, the comb locks will hold. They will not hurt, and they will be safe for your hair and your scalp if done properly. Just like anything, if done improperly, they might not hold, they might hurt, they might pull out your hair. But it's not the comb lock that does it. It would only be in proper usage. That's why I keep repeating, you have to go through the comb lock videos to thoroughly understand how to secure it properly and how to secure it in a way where it's holding, but it's not hurting and it's safe. Very, very important, okay? So make sure, again, you go through those comb lock video attachments. And still, if you need any help or assistance, just contact us and we'll walk you through it if needed. Although remember, they do work and they are safe. They work on everyone as long as you have enough hair to pinch.